My name is Liza Christensen. I'm a regional fixed operations specialist. The service managers in our region love the Shockwave lifts. They're fast, they're efficient. So with the Shockwave ROI calculator, we get one additional job per day. We are open 6 days a week. We are open 52 weeks per year, giving us a total profit for the year of $59,904. That's a lot of money.
My name is Gene Bird. Based on using the Shockwave lift, being able to have one additional job per day. Based on being open for 6 days, and we're open 51 weeks out of the year, which would give us an annual gross profit of $54,774. I don't think anybody would have any problem at all adding that to their bottom gross profit.